Hello guys, I hope you will be fine. So guys, today I will show you how you can bring your data on Canva from Excel. There are different ways, but I will show you the perfect way where you can use it and you can bring a lot of data in one page. The easiest way, you can copy from here from Excel and paste it here. But there is the problem when you try to uh, minimize or when you try to arrange the data, the name will cut and sometimes the alignment will not fix. Okay, if you have one page for this, it's okay, but if you have a lot of data, so this idea is not good. Okay, so I will show you how you can bring more data on one page. For this, you need Photoshop or Paint, because first we will copy our data in Photoshop and then we will export our data. We will save our data and after that we will bring in the Canva. How? Now I will show you. You copy your data again, go to Photoshop. I remove this one. I open the new Photoshop file, clipboard. I paste my data here. You can see now all the data are here. Now what you have to do, you have to click on File, Export, Export as. You can choose PNG, JPEG or GIF, whatever you want. I will suggest JPEG. Export. Now where you want to save it. Suppose I am saving 111. Okay, and then save it. Now I will come to Canva. I will upload my file 111, this one. Okay, and after that I will drag this. So you can see our data is here and we have still space. So if you have more data, you can do the same process, copy the data from Excel, paste it in Photoshop, export, and then upload here. Suppose this is another data, I will bring it here. Now you can see. Now a lot of data you have on this page and everything is clear. When you will make you will print, or if you want to make the yearbook or whatever you want, it will be clear. Here it's small because now here only it's showing the data with minimum size. Okay guys, so I hope you understand. If you have any inquiry, any comment, you can ask me in the comment box. Till the next video, take care, bye.